Hey guys, I'm so excited to be doing my first video that I've done in quite a while, and for most of you guys know, we moved. We are now in a new place, so we're not even close to settled in yet, so things are still really upside down around here, but I'm starting to get things together. Another reason things are really upside down still is we basically moved into a renovation zone. So there's still a lot of stuff going on around here, and it's been slow going because we've been out of town a lot for the boys hockey tournaments. So the spring season brings a lot of tournaments for us. So we've been on the road quite a bit. But today I wanted to get our master bedroom tidied up. We will be painting it. I'm not quite sure when. We are away for 2 weeks, so I won't be doing anything around the house for the next couple of weeks, but I wanted to get it all cleaned up and ready so that when we get back, it's ready to paint. You guys will see there's a little bit of like patching on the walls and stuff like that. So things are starting to happen. The flooring in here is going to be coming out. The flooring is already on order, like the new stuff that we got. So still lots of fun stuff to show you guys, but I wanted to get started with showing you guys our master bedroom and doing a cleaning motivation video for you guys. So I'm gonna get started cleaning. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, hit that little button down below so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, but I'm gonna get right to it because we got a lot to do today. Alrighty, so I'm going to get started by showing you guys around. We are starting in the master bedroom today because this is where we're spending most of our time while we are doing the renovating. I'd like to get this room all cleaned up. As you can see, there are things everywhere. Like I said, the floor in here is going to be coming up because it is damaged and stuff. This is actually our view outside of the master bedroom. It is gorgeous. We do have to do some yard work as well, so the grass out there is kind of wild and crazy right now. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek around the master bedroom. This down here is the main living room. Jeff is working on the main wall there, so we just painted that. That was hunter green. This is like all of our stuff that we have just like dumped in here. Like I said, it is a disaster zone. We are not organized. We are trying to renovate and organize our stuff at the same time. So this is going to be really fun. This is where I'm storing most of the kids' clean clothes and stuff for now until I get their bedrooms painted and the new flooring put in there as well. Once this space is done, it is going to look amazing. There is so much room. The stairway needs to be all cleaned up. Now in this main room, we are going to be taking out that gas fireplace and putting in a wood burning fireplace. So we are on the hunt for a nice wood burning fireplace. I want something that looks kind of the same, just really basic and simple. The big wall there was just painted. Hopefully that's the last coat that we needed so that Jeff can start working on the other walls. I was really iffy about the paint color. I wanted it to be white, but then after I was second guessing myself, maybe I should have gone with something a little bit more off-white, but I think it looks really great. It really makes the lake water blue pop out. It looks really pretty, especially when it's sunny outside. So I'm gonna leave it for now, and if I change my mind, maybe we can get him to repaint it. I don't know if he'd be very happy with that, but I'm just gonna get right into it and start cleaning up in the bedroom. First things first, I'm going to clean off the bed. You guys know that I like to make sure that all of the junk and anything that I have on the bed, like laundry and stuff, is cleaned off. So I'm going to do that first. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you go ahead and do that down below. Hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I do have a lot of stuff I want to cover and a lot of new videos I want to put out. So I still don't have our office area set up, so I'm going to have to just stack up all of this paperwork and set it aside for now until we have a place to put it, because like I said, right now there is no office. So that will be fun, trying to keep all of our bills and paperwork in order. If you guys are on Instagram and you are not already following me, you can definitely head on over to my Instagram page and follow me. I do post a lot of everyday kind of stuff over there and like family things, behind the scenes stuff. So you can definitely head over there and follow to see a bunch more stuff that I post.
When there's no hope,
Alright, so I'm finally getting to the end of all of the junk that was all over my bed. I've got that all basically cleared off. Now, I did just order some new bedding from wayfair.com. So I know I posted like last year that I was going to order new bedding, but then we just got really busy and then the house was for sale and all that good stuff. So I was just waiting until we were doing the renovation in our new place here. So I bought a new duvet from Macy's and I got our bedding at the post office ready to pick up from Wayfair. So hopefully in the next video I can show you guys what I got. And if you guys are wondering how we like our lull bed, I know I posted a video about the mattress a few videos ago and we absolutely love the bed. It is really comfortable. So if you guys want a genuine review on like what I think of the bed, that is how we are feeling right now. Our backs were so sore with the other bed, but we are absolutely loving the lull bed. So if you guys are looking for a new mattress, definitely consider checking out the lull. This is not a sponsored video. I'm actually just telling you guys how much I love it because I truly do. So here I'm just going to freshen up my linens with the lavender cedar leaf spray, and I'm just going to gently mist it all over my sheets just to give it a nice sleepy time, really gentle scent. And then for the wood furniture, I will be using the Method wood cleaner. It's in an almond scent. I really love it. It smells really sweet and gentle. It's perfect for a bedroom as well, so I'm using that on our wood furniture. Those products I picked up from the Grove Collaborative. I do have a link down below in my description box where if you purchase $20 or more worth of products, you get a 5-piece gift set for free. If you guys notice, my bedpost is a little bit wobbly here. That's because last night Jeff was trying to move the bed and the post kind of like got knocked out of its screw hole. So he's got to go get a tool to fix that now. So there's always something to be fixed around the house, that's for sure. Now we have another thing on the list to be done. So that's why it looks a little bit wobbly here. So I cannot wait to get my bedroom painted again. I really miss my old color that I had in the other house. I'm not going to change up the color, I don't think, because I just really love that color. So I'm going to do that same color again. And I also cannot wait to get my mirrors hung up behind my night tables. It really gives off a nice glow when you turn on the lamps. So our chaise is up here temporarily. We're just kind of using it up here until our living room is all renovated, because we have no room down there for this stuff. So we will be getting new couches. I'm hoping to get them in the fall time. I guess it just all depends when we finish up that living room. So we're going to be finishing it up, and then I'm going to go shopping at the furniture store, and I think I want to check out a sectional. So I will be getting rid of a lot of furniture that we won't be using. So I think that's going to include these brown couches. We also have a family room in this house that we need to furnish, so I just haven't decided what is going and what is staying yet. These brown couches are super comfy and they're still in pretty good condition. They could maybe just use a little bit of a shampooing, so I'm gonna see what the plan is for those couches. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors here. This flooring is laminate flooring. It is really not the best quality. As soon as you spill something on it, it like soaks up the moisture and it damages. I don't even think you would call it wood. I guess you would call it laminate. So there are some spots that still look totally fine, but there are a few spots that are lifting. That's why we're replacing it. We've already ordered the flooring for the whole house, and the flooring that we ordered is vinyl plank, and it's waterproof and it looks amazing. I cannot wait to get this installed in this room because it's going to look so much better. So for this flooring, I'm going to be using my Cedar spin mop. The only thing is I really wrung it out quite a bit so that there wasn't very much moisture in the mop. I know that we're taking up the flooring, so it really doesn't matter if it gets ruined at this point, but for any of you guys, if you have laminate flooring and you want to wash it, just make sure that you wring out the moisture really well so that it doesn't ruin your floors. So this mop is perfect for that because you can have as little or as much moisture in it as you want.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way.
Alright, so we've got this bedroom nice and tidy. It is fresh and clean, which is perfect. Now I cannot say that for the rest of the house because it is a disaster construction zone, like I said, but at least we will have a peaceful and clean bedroom we can come hang out in to get away from the chaos that is outside those other doors. Now this is my closet. It is like it's totally blown up right now because I didn't have time to put anything away. Those closet shelves have to be organized. We have to get some rods in there and stuff like that. So I'm hoping to film a video for you guys showing you guys how I organize that closet, basically a closet makeover video. Now here's one more peek at that view outside of our window. We will actually be building a balcony outside these doors. It is meant for a balcony, but there's no balcony there right now, so it's gonna look amazing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the first little bits of our place that we are at, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any of those future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!